Dito ka na, ayun o, ayaw mong pamassage.
May period ako mang bawal.
O sige, okay. Mag-TikTok ka na lang and mag-IG ka, okay? Mag-scroll ka. And ikaw mag-wait ka na dito. And ayaw mo talaga umuwi sa hotel.
Hindi, dito lang ako. Hintayin ko kayo.
Lapit ang lapit ng hotel.
Okay lang po, ma'am.
Mag-rest ka na sa hotel.
Hintayin na lang kita.
Sure ka?
Opo.
O sige, hindi ka low bat.
Hindi, ma'am. May-charge na po.
Yan sa lot kasi nagse-cellphone lang yan. Kaya gusto
Meron akong free
gawin mo
eSIM.
na work mo. Ay, kagawin mo.
Ay, akin na yung phone mo.
Paano natin?
I-upload ko yung Boracay.
Okay.
Akin yung phone mo, ma'am.
May wifi.
Opo, akin na.
Pinay.
Oh,
Ay, lagyan mo na dito yung bag mo na kaya ang pangit.
okay.
So guys, we're now here at Let's Relax at nagpapa-foot massage kami kasi the whole afternoon we were just walking down the street. Doobie-doo, ta-na-nan, ta-nan, ta-na-nan, ta. Walking down the street, and guys, I told Philip I don't want to go home without having a foot massage. So we're here, and Wawa is outside. Okay, ayaw niya magpa-massage, may period daw siya. Oh my god, guys, I'm done with my foot massage and my body is so good. I almost went to sleep, but ang gaya, ba't wala tayong mango sticker rice? Bakit yung dalawa may mango sticker rice?
Bakit sila meron?
Shala! Medyo may discrimination. No, because tayo foot massage lang sila. Body massage. Dahil they have mango sticker rice and we don't have.
Tanong mo sa kanya.
We don't have mango sticker rice. I think it's because they have the full massage. So, okay guys, we're done. Ang sarap. I want to
Bigyan mo.
for the two of them.
Hindi. Yung nabigay ko ng isa.
Eh, bakit kami walang mango sticker rice? Bakit yung dalawa naman meron?
Tanong mo.
I don't like. Sasabihin, kasi cheap yung kinuhan yung package. So, wala kayong mango. Oh, but mas mango sticker rice, kami lang wala. Why? Okay, I'll ask the counter later. Bakit wala kami mango sticker rice? So,